We are here today, 9th of March 2015, in Envangen, in front of White House, to inform people what is going on wrong with refugees in Deutschland.
We are here to protest against the imprisonment they impose on we, the refugees, concerning the resident finish. Also to let people in this city to understand what the problem is.
And we are here today in Ellwangen. We must inform the people from Ellwangen because they don't know, and we asked Bürgermeister from Ellwangen. We asked him. He know about our situation, and he told us he don't know about anything. I don't know how it works, this corrupt system. When the letters come from Ellwangen, the Bürgermeister from Ellwangen, he don't know about the situation. What is going on in Schwäbisch Gmünd? What is going on in Ellwangen?
I mean, most of the citizens of Schwäbisch Gmünd, they don't know the problem we are facing as a refugee. Because most people, they find it difficult to take a walk to where refugees are staying. But 8 people, 9 people using one toilet, one bathroom, everywhere is so dirty. And even most of the social, sometimes they visit, they close their nose when they pass the place that the refugees are living. But they cannot.
For the reaction, I can say we are not surprised. As usual, we are not always welcome.
They talk about integration. They will send you to school to make sure you learn their language. If I wanted to integrate, I would do that in my hometown. They want me to integrate. They want me to do their own culture. They want to wash away every of my culture from me. So that's what they want. So the situation we are living as an asylum in Germany is a very critical one.
But what do? We have to do it. It's our right. If we don't do it, nobody will do it for us. So no matter what they do, and no matter how they react, we are not surprised, because that is how they have always been reacting. So it's not, the reaction is not good, it's not bad. So we just do it, we just manage it. We are used to it.
We are here, we visit this lager, container lager, to share with the refugees how they live, what is the condition. They must not be living in this container lager. So we are looking for so many refugees here, so we can explain them why we are here. We are self-organization refugees, activists from Schwäbisch Gmünd. This is like our tour. We was Friday here, we went to Aalen, we went to so many lagers to just share the situation, what is going on in all Germany, this country.
This is the lady. No, this one is okay. So you can go through this, and with these links, but the more you meet other refugees have the same problem like the way you have. Yeah. These refugees can even tell you, oh, my brother, if you have this kind of problem, this is how you can do it. This is how you can solve your problems. We break so many laws, and those laws now today are being abolished, like the resident fish laws. Those laws, that we break them, we go to Bayern, we go to Berlin, we go to other places. But today, what happened is abolished. You understand? We can also break deportation. Your right to speak, it's your right to move. It's your right to demand even. You're welcome. Everything is there. Even the contact, who you want to meet.
No matter how they react, we still have to fight. It's our right. We don't care how they react. What we care about is our right, which is the freedom of movement, which is the liberty to live everywhere you want to live, everywhere you feel happy. That you can live. You can live there everywhere you think you can go to. That freedom, that is what we want, and that is why we are fighting, and that is why we are here. So we don't care how they feel or how they react. What we care about is our freedom of movement. Thank you.